In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy-paste colors from Renaissance paintings in Photoshop. To get started, open Photoshop and load the image you want to edit. This should be the main photo you want to transform using a new color palette. Once that image is on screen, open the Renaissance painting you want to use as your color reference. You can drag the painting straight into Photoshop, or go to File, then Open, and choose the image from your computer. The important thing is to have both images open at the same time, so Photoshop can pull color information from one and apply it to the other. Now that both files are open, make sure your main photo is the active document. Since this is the image you'll be changing, you want Photoshop focused on that file before applying the effect. Once you've confirmed that, go up to the top menu, click Image, then Adjustments, and choose Match Color. When the Match Color window opens, look for the Source option. Click the drop-down menu and select the document that contains your Renaissance painting. Right below that, you'll see the Layer option. In most situations, you can leave this set to Merged. That tells Photoshop to analyze the overall combined color from the reference image, which usually gives the best result when you're working from a full painting. You'd only change that if you wanted to sample from a specific layer instead. As soon as you choose the source painting, Photoshop will automatically transfer that painting's color palette onto your photo. You should see the change happen immediately, and this is usually the moment when the image starts to take on that rich, painterly feeling. If the effect looks too intense at first, don't worry. That's very normal. Use the sliders in the Match Color dialog box to fine-tune the result. The Luminance slider adjusts brightness, so you can make the image lighter or darker. The Color Intensity slider controls how bold or subtle the transferred palette appears. Then there's the Fade slider, which is especially helpful when you want to soften the look and make it feel more natural. Take your time with this part. Different photos respond differently, so it's worth making small adjustments until everything feels balanced and visually pleasing. Once you're happy with the final look, click OK to apply the effect. If you want to compare the before and after, open the Layers panel and toggle the edited layers visibility using the eye icon. That gives you a quick way to see exactly how the Renaissance painting influenced your image. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can borrow the color palette from a classic painting and give your own photo a beautiful artistic grade in Photoshop. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.